Hello and welcome to Coresignal. My name is Ugnis, and in today's video I'll show you how to use Coresignal's data to find new companies. Let's say you run a sales technology company that helps B2B businesses get more leads. More specifically, you help them discover new companies with a potentially high purchase intent. Sales tech companies can get the most value using our datasets or the company API. The self-service platform offers an excellent way to explore Coresignal's data. Let's navigate to the Find Data section and select the relevant dataset. Now I'll define my search criteria. I'm looking for companies founded in 2023 or later, based in Boston, and let's narrow down my search to companies with recent funding deals. Keep in mind that this tool shows only a portion of available filters. You can find the full list of API filters in the API documentation. As you can see, in Coresignal's database there are 25 companies that match these exact filters. Coresignal's company data records, shown here, consist of key company information, locations and specialties, affiliated and similar companies, company updates, investors, funding rounds. To get more comprehensive company data from multiple sources, consider our multi-source company data, because it combines information from various sources together with unique AI-powered insights about the company. Over 300 data points in each record. You can also get this data as a dataset or access it via API. This quick overview showed you a snippet of our data and how to use it. You can access the same information and much more using one of our data solutions, APIs, or datasets. Start your 14-day free trial and get 200 credits. Or if you want to discuss your use case first, contact us and book a free consultation. Thanks for watching.